In this video, I will show you how to fix a Google Chrome QUIC protocol error. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, of course, this error can be quite annoying as it's going to stop you from doing certain things on Chrome, like visiting certain websites and things like that. So there's a couple of things you can do to actually fix this problem. The first fix, what I would recommend doing is once you've got Google Chrome opened, what you want to do is come up to the top right hand corner, click onto the three dots up here, and what you want to do is come down and click onto settings. Once your settings window is opened, what you want to do is come up to the address bar at the top, get rid of settings, but leave the Chrome followed by the colon and 2 forward slashes, and then just put flags and then hit enter. And what that's going to do is take you to a screen like this. And from here, if you come and click onto the search box at the top, in here, enter QUIC, and you should see something come up called Experimental QUIC Protocol. Now, what you want to do first is click onto the drop down box next to this and change this to disabled. Once you've done that, be sure to come down and click the relaunch button to relaunch Chrome and apply the changes and see if that fixes the problem. If that didn't work for you, the next thing I would recommend doing is from Google Chrome. Again, what you want to do is come up to the top right hand corner, click onto the three dots and come and hover over extensions. On the submenu, click onto manage extensions. It's going to take you to a screen like this. And what I would recommend doing is just first of all disabling all active extensions. So if you've got any turned on, just simply turn the switch and disable all your extensions. Now, once you've done this, what you want to do is enable them one by one. So for example, turn one on, and then what you want to do is see if you can visit any websites. And if it works brilliant, just keep going through and trying each one until you find an extension that could potentially be causing this issue. Once you've found the one causing the issue, just simply go ahead, remove and delete that extension, and that should fix the problem with the QUIC protocol error on Google Chrome. So that's how to fix the Google Chrome QUIC protocol error. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.